Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'm Khadijah. Let's do my makeup.
Hi guys. Okay, so I wanted to show you step by step what I'm going to be doing for this makeup routine. I figured a voiceover would be easier and would be so much better for you to understand the process and what I'm doing, because I feel like also talking can drag out your doing your makeup. But if you're in a crunch, then you want to honestly just lock in and do the quick makeup routine. So here's what I do. Honestly, this is a concealer slash foundation. It's in a pot, and I like to just take a brush and blend it and cover it all over my dark marks on my face. I like this better than foundation because, as you know, it's summertime and it's getting hot outside, and I think it just is better when your makeup is more lightweight during the summer, especially during the day. So if you're like me and you want to be out of the house and you only have a certain amount of time, then this is the perfect routine for you. So also, if you're still here for this video, then make sure to subscribe because that's super helpful. Anyways, so this concealer, you can get any concealer you like. This is my personal favorite. This is Chanel. I'll leave the exact concealer on the screen, but I just blended out. These brushes are also from Real Techniques, and so I was just, obviously you could tell, like a little bit like, okay, let me just kind of get a move on. But I just like to blend it out because I'm not using a bigger brush, and using the little brush just helps me to make sure it's covering all the spots that I want to cover. And it doesn't have to be perfect because, of course, you're still going to want to do it like skin. And the good thing about concealer is, like, you can literally add on as much as you want. And yeah, that's just like the fun in it. So now I'm going in with my cream contour, and this is the Patrick Ta, but I'll leave that on the screen as well. And I like to just put this in the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead, because baby, there's a lot of room on there, and yeah, we want to contour it. And then I'll sometimes put it on my chin, just depending, and then my nose as well. Today I was just focused on my forehead, and it's just kind of getting that all blended out. Now I'm going in with my powder. This powder is also a Chanel powder, but you can use any powder that you like. And I'm just dusting this under my eyes. I'm not baking. I'm literally pressing this into under my eyes, really to set the concealer. And a setting powder or translucent powder just helps to keep it in place. Now I'm using a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush combined, and I'm putting it on my cheeks and then kind of bringing it up to my temples. Then moving on to my brows. So for the brows, I'm literally like gelling these down, and I'm using the NYX brow glue and just putting these hairs in place. Like, I feel like once your brows are put in place, then yeah, you can't go wrong. Like, if your brows look put together, you're going to look put together overall. Your brows honestly determine so much on your face. It's unreal. So now I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and my spoolie, and I'm brushing out my brow hairs. And I like this because it keeps it looking very natural, because sometimes when I've gone in with the Anastasia brow pencil, like, I can make my eyebrows look too dark if I'm not careful. So just brushing this pomade into my brows, I feel like helps it keep it very natural looking. And I'm just going under my eyebrows with the concealer that I still have on the brush, like whatever was left over, and I'm just kind of like dragging that along. I'm just not using any extra product because I feel like the more product that you add, the more it looks like you're trying to have a full face on, if you know what I mean. That was my problem before. I used to like add more makeup on my face and be like, well, why did my makeup turn out natural? It's because I'm using too much product. So I feel like the less product you do and just like how you place it will really determine if your makeup looks just like more natural and just very skin-like and very breathable. Because don't get me wrong, I love a full face, and the full face comes with putting on a full face of makeup, and that's just not what today was giving. Okay, now to bring a little bit extra pop to my face, I'm going in with this eyeliner. I recently got this, but I noticed because I have small eyes, I like to bring a little bit more attention to my face, and so using this black liner has really helped bring a little bit more drama to my face. And I feel like it also makes me look more put together than I was if I didn't use it. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you know, you know. I've been watching a lot of the girlies using like black eyeliner, and I was like, I kind of want to implement that into my makeup routine because I feel like it'll just make me look a little bit more intentional, especially when I'm not wearing a full face of makeup. Now I'm just going in with this mascara and getting those lashes to be all nice and pretty. Because also, yeah, with my small eyes, I like to bring a little bit more attention to my eyes with the mascara. Now we are going in with lip liner. I feel like you can't go your day without lip liner and lip gloss. Like, especially a lip liner and then just a chapstick or a lipstick combo that is gonna just like kind of seal the deal. This is a CoverGirl eyeliner pencil that I'm using as a lip liner because I feel like this brown is perfect and really matches my natural lip liner color. So I'm pretty much done, and I'm just adding a little bit of that bronzer, the powder bronzer, onto my eyelid just to bring some more color to my face. And then yeah, I didn't formally end the video, but thank you girls so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.